automated investment. And yeah, I'm happy to share this video with you. Today I'm going to share about one of our greatest asset actually in the marketplace in terms of investment, financial investment, trade, and what we focus on the most is forex trading as well as stock market trading. So let me just go a little bit over this, and I believe it's going to be very helpful for you. And if it's not, then I will thank you for watching. Anyways, without any further ado, let me clarify in the beginning what is this video or who is this video for. This video is clearly of Forex experienced people. What I mean by that is any professional trader out there who is kind of tired of watching the markets every time. Or if you are kind of tired of missing out some trades while you're sleeping. For example, I'm here in Toronto, and some of the times actually when there is a highest volatility in the market is during the London market. And the London market is something that opens actually around 2 a.m. in our time. So that time I'm sleeping and I'm not planning to wake up to trade only. But I can have something which can trade for me while I'm sleeping, and that is the plan. That is the idea here. That is the freedom. And this is also for anybody who actually have at least a minimum of a knowledge of the investment market. Like you have an idea what Forex is, what stock market is, and you can actually understand what I'm talking about. That is the point. I just don't want to spend my time trying to educate people who don't know anything about Forex market or investment market, trying to tell them what it is exactly, because I'm not that experienced, or I'm not willing to do that actually. That is the right answer, I believe. So to say clearly who this video is not for, it is not for an absolute novice in investment. Like that guy who doesn't know anything at all about Forex investment, you don't know anything about trading. Well, this video is not clear, not very fitted for you. Yeah, because some of the words or specific techniques that I will talk about here, or that I will show you, some of the things that I will show you, you're not going to understand it. So at least you have to have a little bit of an idea what it is, and you can understand what I'm talking, how I'm communicating. Okay. And clearly this is not for people who are looking like for a quick get money scheme out there in the internet, or like how a way to make life easy and stuff like that. That doesn't exist. There's no such thing. So if you're looking for that, this is not the right place. But anyways, for people who are actually kind of novice and stuff like that, you can go to Daily Baby Peeps, I think. Baby Peeps, and you can learn a lot. There is a lot of videos out there, people on YouTube and everywhere who are willing to teach you about Forex. And yeah, I'm not one of them. Anyways, let's dive right into this. And thank you for watching. Actually, I really want to encourage you to watch until the end, because at the end of this, I'm giving out a giveaway for one of the things that I will talk about here. Yeah, I will definitely give a giveaway. Anyways, let's go into it. Let's dive into it. So in the beginning, let me ask you one single little question, actually. What do you think is the one thing that every or all rich people have in common? What do you think? You can pause this and answer my question. You can type your answer in the comments, and I will read that and have a look at that as your ideas. Well, but I have two little bit questions. I have common answers that I was expecting people to give. Is like, what do you think it is? Is it money? Or maybe fame? No, it's none of those. None of those. Everybody has money. Everybody has money. Of course, they have that in common as well. But everybody has money. It's just not for rich people. Everybody has money, but the difference is just how you handle or how you manage your money, right? Some people know how to keep their money a little bit longer than others, and in that way, they spend more money. Some other people don't know how to keep their money longer than others, and they spend more money than others. And there's some people also who know how to earn more money than the average people, the average person, sorry. And yeah, if you don't know how to earn money more than the average person, then you're definitely gonna get the average out of life. Anyways, so one other thing, the right answer for me right now, and this is just regarding to what we're gonna go into, is asset. So every rich people out there, every rich person out there, they do or he does or she does have an asset. And what I mean by an asset is just actually anything that can generate income for you without the requirements of your time or your physical presence every day, like every time. In order for it to generate your income, it does not really require your time or your presence or your physical presence. The average person, for example, what he does is they exchange their time in order to get money, all right? And that is what most people do. But when you have an asset, then you have a step forward, a step towards the answer to that, the answer to the fact of not exchanging your time for money. But what you have is something now that will generate money without you needing to be there, you needing to exchange your time for that. So you have your time and you have the income, which means that's good. That is good, actually. You can go do something better than earning money. And what is that something better? What it is spending time with your family, having fun, and growing your connection with your creator, right? And yeah, so the other points that I want to go through here is the most powerful asset in the market right now. This is something that every banks are using. Like this is something that every investment company are using right now. And it's something that was not put to the public previously. I mean, early before in the years, it was not put to the public, but now on as the world is going forward, they have decided to put some of these informations out there and keep people a little bit distracted to not take or put that much of attention about on it. But the point is, the information is now out there and anybody can use it. You just need to know where to put your money, where to put your eyes, where to put your mouth as well. Anyways, so this is something that your banks do. When you put your money in your banks, when you have a saving account, you have an investment account with your bank or anything like that, they try to like to tell you to invest with them. You're not really investing with them. They're gonna invest your money, and they're gonna give you a little bit of a little bit of the profit they're gonna make out of your money. But you can actually right now do the same and not having to use them. But that is not the point here. That is just an idea of what is going on behind the scenes. All right. So let's talk about that asset. What is that asset that all the banks have right now, and that they're using? That asset itself is a trading boat. There is tons of company, tons of investment companies, banks that are hiring. They have been hiring actually traders, daily traders, and long-term traders. They trade for them every day. But now since a couple of years, we are working towards an automation of the trading market, an automation of the trading of the exchange market. What I mean by there is that the artificial intelligence can now actually learn from the past and have an idea of how we can work in the future, how to predict the market, how to predict the prices in the future. But also, one of the other things that you can use is when you know your strategy, your trading strategy, and you have been very successful by trading it manually for a couple of years or couple months and stuff like that, you can actually implement that strategy into an artificial intelligence machine or an artificial or a bot actually, to pronounce it, to say it in an easy word. You can put that, you can implement that strategy in a bot, and that bot will trade for you or will do what you would have done manually. And this makes it so easy, so powerful, because you can go now out there, spend your time, do anything you want, do whatever you want, and leave your trade, leave your bot trading for you 24 hours a day, every single day that the market is open. And the market is open 7 days a week. So the market is open 5 days a week. Of course, for crypto, it's open 7 days a week. But I'll be more focused into the forex market and the stock market. So yeah, when you have that bot, it can definitely work for you very, very highly, very, very well. The second advantage of this trading bot is that if you, as you are a really professional, or if you have an idea of the financial market, you are well aware that 99% of the people who are really successful in the investment market, the 99%, the 99% of the people who are successful in the financial market, they are well educated and they are very well disciplined about their risk management. And what you need to remember here also is that 90% of all the people that invest or that goes in, all the people that go in the financial market or in the investment market, 90% of those people, they actually lose money. They lose money. That's why there is a bunch of broker out there, because they know you're gonna lose all of it. They want you to deposit money and you're gonna lose. They know 90% of the people gonna lose. But what is the problem about that? The problem is the risk management point. People are not really using the good risk while they're investing. Money is very addictive. When you get to it, you see the profit that you are getting or the profits that you can get from it. It is very, very easy to tend to over leverage your account, or trying to make as much as you can, or as much as you can in a short time period, and expecting it to grow, to become a millionaire in a day. No, that doesn't happen. It doesn't happen that way. You just have to remember that everything has a digestion period. You need to take time to grow. And so the answer to that point is that this bot actually calculates the risk for you to keep you safe, to keep you away from the brokers, from away from that 90% of people who are not educated. As long as you follow the rules, or you follow the principle, or you follow the manuscript of the bot, it's going to keep you away from that by maximizing your profit and minimizing your losses. And that is the plan. That is what happens actually. As long as you keep that, you are disciplined, you understand that. Discipline is something very, very hard. Not everybody has that. Not everybody, it actually was even one of my challenges too. And I'm still learning, I'm still growing into that. But it's something that really, really impacts a lot of people. And especially in the financial market, if you can put if you are still affected by your discipline and your emotions, then you are 100% not going to be successful in this market. And one of the ways to eliminate that in order to be successful, actually, you can put your trading, your investment with a bot, and the bot going to invest for you and keep the discipline part aside. So if you are not disciplined, keep that for you, but don't use it in the bot. If you're not disciplined, the bot is disciplined. It's going to do the work for you in a proper manner, in a proper way. If you are emotionally invested in everything you do, then don't do anything. Let the bot do everything. The bot is not emotionally invested. The bot doesn't have any emotion. It is your money, but it doesn't have any emotion about your money. It just calculates the profit and the losses, and it does the best to minimize your losses, and maximize your profit. That is the plan. That is the business here. And as long as you understand that, then you're good to go. This is the point. That's it. That's all. I can even finish this video from here. And you have got the point. I have given you the secret of this market. Get a robot, let it run. If you have a strategy, put your strategy, implement your strategy in a bot, and that will make everything awesome. Anyways, let me show you something else. Now, what do you need in order for this to be successful, or in order to be successful with this? Well, you're just gonna need a computer and an internet. That's it. You have a computer, you open your charts, you put your bot there, or you activate the bots on your chart, and it's gonna start trading that particular pair on that chart, which means you can actually open multiple charts and put multiple symbols or pairs on those charts, and you put the bots to work on all those charts or all those pairs, and it's gonna keep trading all of those, and it always works the same way, with the same principles, which is minimizing your losses and maximizing your profits. In another video, I will actually go around and tell you how you can, or how we do this. I will actually explain to you how to build this algorithm. I will explain to you how to build this algorithm, and you can do it also anytime, anywhere you can. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And yeah, that's all you need. If you don't have a computer, then of course we have the option to connect your trading account to our bot, and it will trade your trading account. You can trade it to any bot. There is a ton of bots out there, but you just need to know the good one, a good bot that you want to work with. Okay. All right. Now, how does it work? I have a bot which is working perfectly for me. I'm gonna show you some good results very soon. No problem with that. I don't mind wherever you want to buy your bot, but everything that you want is you just need to buy a bot, put it on your chart, find your account, test it in the past, and then trade it for a couple months in a demo account to see how it's working again in the future, and then use the real money to start making money. This is like having your own money printing machine. I can tell you, when you understand this, when you do this correctly, you can definitely forget about those challenges that you have been facing in the financial market. Anyways, yeah, so this is the plan. This is the plan. You just need to get a bot. If you don't have a computer, or you don't have enough money to buy your own bot, to pay for your own bot, there is tons of payment plan out there that you can choose, which goes with you, or you can even get a subscription plan. You pay monthly. They send you, or you connect your account to the trading bot. Okay, you connect your account to a trading bot, and it gives you information about that. I mean, it trades your account. It respects everything, but you have 100% control over your money. Of course, you have 100% control over your money. When you want to stop it, you can stop it. If you don't want it to work, you can stop it. If you want to take profit before it closes the market, or before it closes the trade, you can do so. You are not limited. Now, let me show you some of the proof. Look at this. This is for a period of 1 month, I think, that we did this. Did you see that? This is approximately $2,000 with an account which is very, very, very limited, like very little amount. But anyway, this is not the point. I can show you. Look at this proof here. Do you know how to read the charts? Okay, read this. So this is from here, this account actually was $1,000 account, and you can see the growth of this account. Do you see this? Do you see this? This is in a time frame of 6 months. Yeah, this is 6 months time frame. So this was $1,000 account, and in 6 months, where it got was $1,500. So that's approximately 50% increase, 50% return. on your investment. This is way too much. This is way too much. If you invest with your bank right now, they give you maximum what that they're gonna give you is per 5% return. Actually, with a bank, you don't get that. With a bank, you get 1 to 3% maximum. If you're a good person, like if you really have a good investment, like you have connections, you can get 1 to 3%. But if you invest with different private investment banks, investment firm, you can get actually up to 6%. But this, my man, this is 50% increase, 50% return. And this is in 6 months. With the banks, you get 1% in 1 year. 1% in 1 year. And as you know, of course, the bigger your account is, the bigger or the more you can make. So for example, for somebody who has a $1,000 account and you have $10,000 account, where a person like me who has $1,000 account, for example, where I make $500 in profit, you're gonna make $5,000 in profit. So this is marvelously great. I'm gonna show you something as well. I'm gonna show you something. Let's go to a chart here. Actually, what is that? Okay, let's go to a chart here. So you see these pairs right now? Let's go back to this chart here. So this growth here was only on one pair. This growth in 6 months was only on one pair by trading the USD, the Aussie USD. This was a growth in 6 months on one pair. And actually right now in the market, there is almost, I think 26 major pair that you can trade. 26 pair, do you understand that? 26 pairs. And this market actually, or this bot works even on a stock market, in the stock market. So this is like a game changer. Anyways, let's go to the charts. I'm gonna show you something on the charts here. So you see, these are all the pairs that you can use. You are experienced, you know a little bit of this. You can use on the pairs, you can use on this, on that. But let's check, for example, these are the different versions that I have. We're gonna use the version 2. I was trading Facebook. I'm not gonna trade Facebook right now. Let's go to the Aussie USD. Where is the Aussie USD? Aussie USD. Okay. And let's take, for example, from January. Yeah, let's take January 2019. Okay. The daily chart. And this is how you can backtest your bot. You can test how it would have been trading for you in the last period of time. So let's take this. So we have chosen the pair. You choose the bot that you're gonna use. Then you take an example of your investment. Let's say you start with a $10,000 account. I'm gonna go with a $10,000 account, okay? This is just an example. All right, from January 1st, 2019 to today, all right, Saturday 14th. Let's run it. Okay, so yeah, you can just increase this visual mode to make it faster. I don't have time to go slowly in this. And check the open price. We're gonna just refer to the open price, but of course the market will calculate the close price of the previous candle. Let's go with that. Okay, and let's check that. Good. All right, so let's see the growth here. You see, so this market starts with a $10,000 account, and in a time frame of 6 months, well, 9 months, we are at a growth of we are at $6,000 profit. This is 60% increase. What do you think about that? That's insane. That's really amazing. That's game changer. And you can even look here and you can see your drawdown. Your drawdown was 4% only. Do you imagine this? 4% drawdown. That means you did from your from your from your initial investment, the maximum that you lost from it or that you could have lost from it would be 4%. 4% of 10%, 4% of $10,000 is how much? I think this would be like $40. $40. That's no 4%. That would be 400. Yeah, no. $40. $40. So a drawdown of 4%. This is just amazing. This is amazing. This is like around $400. So in $10,000, with a $10,000, your drawdown was just $400. That is amazing. And look at your profit now. Look at your profit. This is the profit. Look at the number of one trade. So you won out of, you need to know how to read this. Out of 39 trades, out of 39 short trades, short position trades, 59%, 56% was successful or was beneficial. You won 69%, 56%. That's amazing. That's amazing. Not every trader can do this. Even traders who are professional, they don't get this. This is like amazing. Anyways, and out of the long position trade that you took, 48% was successful. This is way too good. This is way too good. Anyways, let's take something. Let's say let's go to let me check. Let's say June 2015. No, let's say June 2018. From June 2018 to today. Okay? June 1st, 2018 to today. Let's see what we're going to get. Bear with me here. Okay. Look at this growth. Look at this growth. $9,000 in profit. 9,000 in profit. This is 90% return on your investment. What do you think of that? Let's see the drawdown. The drawdown was only 8%. Out of 10,000 investment, the maximum that you would have lost from using this bot in the last year would be $900. 8%. This is amazing. This is a game changer. This is amazing. Anyways, let's take another pair. Okay, let's see, for example, which one, for example, let's take the yeah, let's take the New Zealand and the Japanese yen against the Japanese yen, right? Okay, let's do the same thing. So from June 1st, 2018 to today. Okay, let's see how this could have been. Okay, let's see the results. So I go to the report first to see the income. So do you see this? This is your profit, 3,000. And the relative drawdown, 13%, which is approximately $1,500. This is amazing. Out of a $10,000 investment, you could have lost only $1,500, but look at this. Look at your profit. And look at the graph. Let's see. This is a little bit choppy though. This is a little bit choppy, but still it is profitable. This is still profitable. You never went in negative from your initial deposit or initial investment. You never went in negative. Look at this. This is good. This is good. This is actually good. Okay, let's say if you started using this bot in January of this year to today. Okay, let's see how much you could have made. Let's see the reports here. $2,600, $2,600 in profit, and 5% only drawdown. 5% drawdown. This is good. This is good. So, with a $10,000 investment, the maximum you could have lost would be 521 and $21. Do you imagine that? There are tons of traders out there who cannot do this. This bot is actually trading better than 100 of them out there. Look at this graph. Look at this graph. Look at this graph. This is this is amazing. Anyways, let's take another one. Let's take another version. Let's take for example. Actually, take uh, let me try a stock. Okay, let's take Apple for example, right? Let's see what we could have done with Apple on this one. With this same trading bot and the daily chart, you choose your chart here, the daily chart, good. And let's see what we could have done. Okay. All right, let's see the report here. Okay, we're in profit. Look at this. That's not a lot of profit though. That's not a lot of profit. We have 11% drawdown. That's not too good. 11% drawdown, that's not too good, but we're still in profit. And this profit is like not the best actually. Yeah, of course the bot cannot be 100% successful, but out of the 100 trade that you're gonna push for you, you're not gonna have to lose. Like you in the average total, in the long term, the long run total, you're not gonna lose. That's the point. Nobody's 100% accurate. The bot cannot either. So you need to understand. You need to leverage it. Anyways, let's take for example, let's try the US 30, the US 30 stock. Where is it? I like trading this guy so much because he's really good. I mean, like, I've made a little bit got some money out of this, and I've lost some with him as well. But I like trading that. Okay, the US 30. Let's try that. Let's see what we got here. Good. What's the report? $72. Well, I mean 722. Okay, look at the drawdown. 2% drawdown only. This is incredible. Look at this. With a 2% drawdown, look at this growth. Look at this growth. It didn't put so many trades so far, but still it is good. This is the point. This is the point. This is what I'm trying to point out here. Anyways, we can't not do all those trades, but let's try one of another version. I have different versions here, and I'm definitely happy to share all of those with you guys. But let's try another version here. Let's try this on which pair? I like to trade the GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Let's try this on this one, and let's see. Okay, what did we get here? Oh, good. Look at the drawdown, 4%. Look at the profit, 1200. Good stuff. Look at this growth, my man. Do you see this growth? This is what I'm talking about. Well, now you know. Now you know. You have it. You're going to have to sleep. You leave this thing doing this for you. There are people who stay up all day long, all night long trying to trade, and they can't even fucking do this. They lose money. But look at this spot. It's doing incredibly good. Anyways, so you have seen it. I'm gonna be happy to share this with you later on. If you are somebody who found any type of interest from that, you can definitely send me an email to at automatedinvestment@gmail.com, and I will give you further instruction on how you can get that bot. You can get different version of it. I'm going to give you all the versions that we have. We have 3 versions right now. We have 4 versions actually, but I'm going to give you 3 versions. And yeah, of course, I can give you a giveaway. I can give you one more version. I mean, I'll give you one free version, one little bot that you can try. Let me show you that one actually. I would like to share that. So this one, this is actually, if you can see, when I'm trading most of the time is the daily chart. But I can give you something that you can trade on the short time or the daytime trading, on the daytime platforms or daytime charts. Let's see, what is it? the RSI ultimate RSI, but this guy you can use him on the digital. Let's try even GBP, and let's try on the 5 minute time frame. Let's see. Not too sure how this gonna come out, but let's see what it did. Okay, I hope it's gonna be good. All right, yeah, look at this. 9%, 9% drawdown, $400 profit. So yeah, this is good too. You look that? Do you see that? This is what I'm talking about. So, and the other thing is, when you are right here, you can definitely close this port and take your profit. Don't wait for it to draw down. But anyways, you need to stick on it. You don't know when or how it's gonna draw down, if it's gonna go up. So you can stick on it. But most of the time, what I do myself, I let it run. When I have enough profit, I just close it. When I'm just happy with my profit, I close it. But anyways, you see that? So you can, there's different versions. I'm gonna give you one for a giveaway. I'm gonna give the RSA Ultimate Trade Bot for a giveaway for just for good, like giving back to the community. This is something that you can actually use on a shorter time frame. You can use it on a 5 minute chart or even a 15 minute chart. I believe it's gonna be successful on the 15 minute chart. Let's see what it's gonna give us. Okay, it was not successful on 15 minute charts. No, 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 no. 9% drawdown, but we lost $600. Not too good. This isn't too good. Yeah, not very good for 15 for 15 minutes. But the point is, you try this. This is back testing the bot. So when you back testing, you can definitely conclude what time frame is better or is best for that robot, that specific robot. And once you have got that time frame, then you can try it in the future. And by the future, I mean you can try it in a demo account, and after enough experience with a demo account, then you can connect it to your real money, and it's going to make you tons of money. Anyways, so yeah, thank you very much guys for watching this video. Yeah, if you found enough interest into this, you can definitely send me an email right here, and I'm going to give you further instructions on how you can procure yourself with the iMax robot, which I'm using currently, and we are using it with a lot of other investors. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will be coming out with additional videos. I'm trying to help out the community out there with the people who are trading and give them a little bit of the knowledge. Like we need to share, right? So I'll be coming out with additional videos. Don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so that you can be notified about it. But anyways, yeah, so if you have any kind of interest and you believe that this bot can be beneficial to you, then just do not hesitate to shoot me an email, and I can schedule a time to talk with you, and I will give you further instruction on how you can procure yourself with this and how you can implement it. And yeah, looking forward to talk to you guys later on. Thank you again, and don't forget to subscribe and leave me with a comment about what you think about this. I will definitely enjoy some kind of feedback from people. Okay, I'm looking forward to share more with you guys as we are going forward. Thank you again.